I'm responsible of Finance 2.0 initiative. We just remind you with the objectives of the initiative. It will enable the company to have a rigorous financial steering for all the business. Raising capital is an important task to make sure that we raise capital on the required time. We also want to secure the high-level credit rating that the company is maintaining. We want to make sure also to adopt a high internal control and standard of process. We also make sure that good corporate governance is being adopted. The achievement so far, we have implemented the investor relation function. Management report has been produced. Dashboard is now operative. We have produced for the first time a market research report, and that will be produced every quarter of the year. All the new purchase material now are processed electronically as part of the electronic invoicing. The current working items is our current priority now is to deliver the operating budget for the 2016 for the company. We also want to push and make sure that we complete all the electronic invoicing by the end of 2016. We are going to finalize the management report, and the management report for Q3 will be ready at end of a quarter and will be shared with the management. IR or investor relation presentation and press release and other materials are being produced. This will eventually improve our communication with the market and also communication with our investors. I am responsible of the shared service initiative. Let me just remind you with the objectives. Implementation of international best practice by creating a shared service that consists of front office, back office, and business support. The objective is to improve the quality, cost, and the customer satisfaction, increase also efficiency and cost optimization. The structure in the shared service will consist of 3 macro phases. Phase number 1, year 15-16 will be the transformation. The year 17-18 will be the optimization, where we will address the quality and the cost reduction and the customer satisfaction. In 2019-2020, we will eventually drive to a world-class status. The achievement so far in the shared service initiative, we have launched a front office which include an internal and external portal that will be serving all employees and will be serving also the external customer, and we have used the IBB model for that. We have set a group of experts and agents. Also, we have set and launched a unified call center. Happily, we have completed majority or vast majority of the milestones set by ASTP.
Okay, for our operation excellence for transmissions, we have several initiatives. One of the initiatives is the economic dispatch operations. So far in 8 months, in 2015, we achieved saving 277 million Saudi riyals, and we expected to add more, 90 million more. This is from generation dispatch. Also in efficiencies, system efficiencies, we improved it from 29% to 34%, and we are going furthermore. And in the cost, we reduce the system cost, the system generation cost, from 3.34 to 3.29. For the second initiatives, regarding fixing bottleneck for existing systems, we identify 16 bottleneck in 2015. So far, we completed through our projects that we fixed 16 bottlenecks in 2015, and we have almost 64 in 2016 and 2017. We are working through current projects. For the third initiatives, the maintenance excellence program, our key achievements that transmission maintenance, SAP PM programs already started, and we expect it to be completed in December 2015. For the asset management, one of the also achievements that large numbers of asset current strategies have been identified, and we are working on it. For the fifth initiatives regarding independent system operators, ISO, our key achievements is we completed the organizations and roadmaps, and currently we are working on the ISO functions. For the key achievements in Operation Excellence transmission programs, we have so far saving 277 million from economic dispatch operations. Also, we improved the system efficiencies from 29% in 2014 to 34%. Also, we improved reducing the cost from 3.34 to 3.23. For the maintenance excellence programs, MTS programs have already identified the maintenance SAP programs and expected to be completed in December 2015. And the RCM expected to start working in February 2016. For the bottleneck, so far we identified 29 bottlenecks, and these bottlenecks have been fixed in 2015's projects. We expected 60 more that we can fix it in 2016 and 2017 projects. For the ISO, we already completed the ISO organizations and the roadmap, and now currently we are working the ISO functions. For the asset maintenance program initiatives, the risk management teams have been fully in operations and identify every risks and working on it. Also, the asset current strategies, large part of them have been identified, and we are working on it.
Our objective in this initiative is to centralize the data warehouse, also to define the policy and procedure and standard rules in order to make the control on the data flow for, as a result, to get data healthy and qualified data. The achievements of data analytics in the last period. We started with assist the data model. As a result from that step, we came up with building data dictionary and data flow map documents. Also, we defined the senior management requirements through workshops, and we came up with 1,509 use cases or analytics. After prioritization of this number of analytics, we started the data quality check or data quality auditing. From that process, we came up with more than 500 issues and number of recommendations. Currently, we started the implementation of improving the data quality with IT and the business based on the recommendation we came with. Also, we developed RFP in order to get support from external BI consultant since NIPRAS has limitation in his resources to design the analytics required.
المبادرة هي مبادرة تطوير الأعمال الجديدة في الشركة. الهدف هو إنشاء الوحدة التنظيمية لتطوير الأعمال الجديدة بما في ذلك آلية العمل والسياسات التي تحكم الاستثمار، بالإضافة لدراسة فرصتين استثماريتين لتهيئة أسس تفعيل الوحدة التنظيمية وآلية عملها. الدراستين هي دراسة خيارات النقل البحري للوقود لمحطات القطاع الغربي، ودراسة استثمار أراضي وعقارات الشركة. بالنسبة للإنجاز، بالنسبة لدراسة خيارات النقل البحري لوقود ومحطات القطاع الغربي، تم إنهاء دراسة جدوى أولية من داخل الشركة، وتعاقدنا مع شركة استشارية متخصصة في أعمال النقل البحري للقيام بالدراسة التفصيلية والاقتصادية، وعقدنا اجتماع أولي مع المرسل الاستشاري وقدمنا لهم جميع البيانات المطلوبة، وجاري العمل الآن لترتيب زيارة للفريق الاستشاري لمحطات الشركة والترتيب لزيارة الجهات ذات العلاقة للموضوع. بالنسبة للدراسة الثانية اللي هي استثمار أراضي وعقارات الشركة، أيضا تم إنهاء دراسة أولية داخل الشركة، وتم إعداد نطاق عمل ودعوة شركات استشارية متخصصة لعمل الدراسة في مجال الاستثمار لعقارات الشركة. استلمنا العروض وجاري الآن التحليل واختيار العرض الفائز.
Generation Business launched last year their initiative to be one of the best utilities worldwide. In 2014 September, 5 power plants adopted the Generation Excellence Program. By the year end 2014, the result was very encouraging. In January 2015, the program being launched in all power plants. By this year, 2015, the third quarter, we're seeing the results is very promising in availability, reliability, efficiency, and cost. Looking for availability, we've been improving from 87 to 88. Force outage has been improving from 2.5 to 2.4. Efficiency from 32 to 33. The cost is being seen tremendous cost reduction by utilizing our manpower to do maintenance around all the power plant kingdom-wide. So we have a team. So the first initiative we've seen introduction or reduction in the cost for maintenance by 31 million. However, this program is targeted for the next 5 years. So by 2019 or by 2021, we'll achieve our target. It's been set to be one of the best utilities from all the KPIs from operation perspective.
In this initiative, our ultimate objective is to make digital customer experience a reality and enable LLC businesses lines through a world-class IT services. We have been working closely with all business lines and initiatives to achieve this objective, and some of our achievements include the following: implementation of multiple solutions to core businesses and support functions with key focus on customer services, operation excellence, and human resources. Implementation of cybersecurity solutions to protect ourselves from cyber threats. In parallel to these achievements, we are putting the final touches to launch company-wide IT strategy implementation roadmap aligned with your needs and requirements before end of 2015. New wave of implementing cybersecurity strategy, initiative and capabilities by end of 2015. New and agile IT operating model will respond to your demand with right sizing for the best utilization of our resources in 2016.
Our vision is to become a world-class DSO and deliver a world-class service to our customer and society. Distribution is committed to be front-runner and initiate new projects focused on improvement like smart meter, smart grid, and operation excellency through visiting all distribution procedures, process, and systems. We have a very aggressive KPI target, not only improving our cost efficiency by 15 to 25%, but also significantly improve our reliability indices by more than 30%. And we are targeting to save 12 billion Saudi riyals in the coming 5 years. More than hundreds of our engineers just completed initial studies of 18 improvement areas that will contribute to saving and improvement of network quality. We succeeded in saving 2 billion riyal this year by converting copper cables to aluminum cables without impacting the quality. We're also committed to replace conventional meters with smart ones before 2025, as the design stage of the project has just started. Our human capital, together with world-class consultant firms and experts from world-class utility, will ensure fulfillment of our vision to become a world-class DSO.
Relentless Customer Focus Initiative. Our aim in this initiative to concentrate and focus on customer needs and change whatever required to be changed to satisfy this customer. Our objective is to change our processes and systems to be focused in the customer. At the same time, to centralize our processes to reduce the cost to serve and the cost to sell to him by utilizing all channels available, including the social media and electronic channels. As a quick wins in this initiative, we started by a small project. One of them is to unify all call centers. And we have now the ability to serve our customer from anywhere in Kingdom by a centralized modern call center. In this initiative, we started by developing a number of quick wins. First one was developing a website for SEC applications. Now we can serve 70% of all customer requests via our website. The second quick win was unifying our commercial call center to become one unified call center served by more than 150 agents helping in satisfying the customer. The third quick win is to stop wasting the papers by stop printing the paper below 100 Saudi Riyal, where in this initiative we gain more than 100 million Riyal yearly. The fourth quick win is introducing a smart offices where we will utilize the new high technology to serve our customers by all means.
The ultimate goals of this initiative are the following. Number one is to come up with a clear strategy for a brand in SEC. Number two is to have a clear strategy for stakeholder management. Number three is to come up with a clear culture program to be launched during this year. The achievements so far are the following. First of all, we had completed the brand platform for phase one. We have come up with a clear strategy for the brand, as well as the stakeholder management strategy. Recently we have signed a contract with a brand consultant to go and do the full execution of the brand strategy on the ground. Plus we are in the stage of contracting a vendor supplier for culture that should be ready for within the next 2 weeks, as well as the stakeholder management execution supplier.
مبادرة كفاءة المشاريع من المبادرات الهامة التي تسعى من خلال الشركة للوصول إلى العالمية. Capital efficiency initiative is very important to our company. We are looking to achieve through it to be a world-class company. هذه المبادرة ترتكز على 3 مرتكزات رئيسية. المرتكز الأول هو stage gate process. من خلال هذا المرتكز نسعى إلى مراجعة جميع الإجراءات من بداية المشروع حتى close out للمشروع للتأكد من جميع توفر الريسورسز والرايت اوف ويز التي نحتاجها لهذا المشروع لضمان سلاسة تنفيذ هذا المشروع وعدم تعثره. وقد تم الانتهاء من هذه الستيج جيت من خلال بوابة المرحلة للمشاريع في فبراير 2015 وتم تطبيق لهذه الستيج جيت من خلال التنسيق مع الزملاء في التخطيط والمالية. المجال الثاني لمبادرة كفاءة المشاريع كاتوفيشنسي هو إيجاد دليل موحد لإدارة مشاريع الشركة عبارة عن Unified Manual for all SEC projects. وقد تم الانتهاء حقيقة من النسخة الأولية من هذا المشروع and we start to implement it in pilot project and we train more than 90 engineers from different departments of SEC. المجال الثالث من مجالات مبادرة كفاءة المشاريع وهو مجال رئيسي ومهم جدا حقيقة في تحقيق الأهداف الرئيسية لمبادرة كفاءة المشاريع، وهي الكابيتال استراتيجي، وهي الطريقة التي نتعامل فيها في تنفيذ المشاريع. وقد تم اختيار عدة استراتيجيات لتنفيذ المشاريع وطرحها للسوق، وقد بدأنا في تطبيق ذلك على عدة مشاريع الهدف منها قياس مدى الوفر. من خلال هذه المبادرة تمت مراجعة جميع شروط الشركة العامة والمالية والدفعات، كذلك تم عمل value engineering للمشاريع التي سيتم التطبيق عليها، ومن خلالها تم تعديل المواصفات والمتطلبات الفنية التي تخدم هذا الموضوع. ومن خلال تطبيقنا لهذه المبادرة على 3 مشاريع، وهي مشاريع ضبا، الخضراء، ووعد الشمال، ومشروع تحويل المحطة التاسعة، تم ولله الحمد توفير ما يزيد عن 1.5 billion Saudi riyal for compared with the budget allocated. نهدف من هذا كذلك من هذه الاستراتيجية هو عمل detailed design داخل الشركة، وتوطين المعرفة وتوطين التصاميم الهندسية من خلال تنفيذها عن طريق الشركة.
The objective of research and development is to help the core business in providing a solution for the problem which could they face, and also to provide innovative solution for a future. The objective of this initiative, of R&D initiative, is to put a strategy, organization model, determine the platform and the human resources requirement. Since we started the initiative, we accomplished several achievements. One of them is signing several MOUs with international and national organizations. Through these MOUs, we are going to establish collaboration to do the research and development together. A second achievement, we already started the Center of Excellence in several places. The first one was in Dhahran for transmission, and the second one here in Riyadh with CAXT, and the third one in West with CAST for generation. The third achievement, we already defined the model, the organization model to run the R&D.
In view of SAC's vision to become a world-leading company, the primary objective in this initiative is to establish a framework for the risk management and compliance management in SAC. We have completed the design of the framework of risk management and compliance management in SAC, and it's now ready for rolling. The risk committee in the level of the board of directors has already been assigned, and the charter of the committee has also been established, and the role of the committee is to overview the implementation of the risk management in the company, and also to support creating the risk culture and the compliance culture in the company. The GRC, Governance, Risk and Compliance Software Program, has already been selected, and it will be implemented in coordination with NEBRAS in order to monitor the implementation of the risk management and compliance in the company. The purpose of the Health, Safety and Environment Initiative is to reorganize the relation between the corporate and the business unit in the structure of the health and safety environment in the company. Improve safety implementation and occupational health and environmental compliance. Promote safe driving in the company. Safety strategy gaps has been identified and action plan has been decided. Permit to work Processes and policies has been assigned in all business units. Safety training has taken place in all the business units and has been completed. Implementation of the occupational health program has been started in the company. Environmental compliance has been assessed and action plan has been put in action. Safe driving activities is rolling in the company and action is in progress. Organizational structure has also been defined for all business units in coordination with the performance organization initiative in the company. The purpose of this initiative is to identify and remove the bureaucratic roadblocks in the company. We have issued the data sheet to all business units and we received their responses, and based on their responses we have also put in clusters all the bureaucratic issues that needs to be handled in the company. Bureaucratic issues, alignment meetings with the business units taking place in order to remove the roadblocks. We will continue working to bust all the bureaucracy in the company. We might need the help of an outside consulting company.
Supply Chain Excellence Initiative. This is one of the very important initiatives in our ASTP program. It covers 4 major task forces. The first one is organization setup. The second one is material. The third one is contracting. And the last one is the zero fuel loss task force. We are expecting to generate 4.7 billion Saudi riyal as a saving during the coming 5 years out of these 4 processes. So far, last month, we went live with the stock transfer order software, and also we managed up to date to save the company 235 million out of bundling of contracts. And also we completed 82% of meter calibration at the power plant. The major ongoing jobs nowadays, we have the user testing for spend performance management software, and also finalizing our organization up to level number 5, and lastly finalizing the implementation phase for zero fuel loss contract.
I'll give you an update on integrated planning initiatives. The objective is to develop the long-term aspiration and goals of Saudi Electricity Company, develop the mid and short-term business plan which will identify initiatives and operational and capital spending plan, and third, to launch the stage gate process to optimize our capital investment and improve return on investments performance. Some of the achievements we had already, as a quick win, we have implemented a light zero-based budget exercise, and we have saved 780 million Saudi riyals in 2015 controllable operating expenses. Second, the board of directors has last September has approved the SEC long-term strategic direction, which included the mission and vision. Third, we've developed the charter for the investment committee, which was approved by the CEO. We are currently working on developing the 2016-2020 business plan, which will identify the initiatives, targets, and capital and operational spending plans. We are also now training the users on the use of templates and economical evaluation model to set the stage for launching the stage gate office and to activate the investment committee role on deciding on capital investments. Some of the achievements we had so far, as a quick win, we have implemented a light zero-based budget exercise and resulted in 780 million Saudi riyal savings in 2015 controllable operating expenses. The board of directors has approved in last September the SEC strategic direction that identified the mission and the vision. The charter for investment committee was prepared and approved by the CEO. What we are currently working on, first, the 2016-2020 business plan that will identify the initiatives, the targets, and the operational and capital spendings plan. And we are training the users on using templates and economic evaluation model to set the stage for launching the stage gate process and to activate the investment committee role on deciding on capital investments.
I'm the championship of the PO initiative. By this initiative, we will come up with a new organization, effective organization, and efficient. And this will affect all the units within SEC. Until today, we almost done. We finalized all the levels, from level 1 to level 6. And we got also the approval of the COO to go live by the beginning of 2016.